It may happen to your device. Serial number has not been registered. First, select Setting. Select About. Version. If the app version is lower than v1.0 to 0.14, please tap Clean Up first and select Upgrade to update the software. If the problem is still not been solved after clean up the cache, please copy these two APK to the SD card and remove the cover of the device. Here would be a SD card port. Insert the SD card. Select Setting. Long press Network and slide up repeat 3 times. Select Setting. Input 668. Tap Confirm. Select Storage. Install these two APK.